Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Eufy 11s is probably one of the most popular robot vacuums on the market, known for its slim design and effective cleaning capabilities, but like all electronic devices, its battery life will eventually degrade, impacting its performance and requiring a replacement to restore its optimal functionality. If your Eufy 11s is no longer holding a charge for as long as it used to, or if it's struggling to complete its cleaning cycles, then it's time to consider a battery replacement to bring your trusty robot back to life and ensure your floors remain spotless without constant supervision. Number 5. BYD Replacement Battery for Ecovacs Deebot N79s. Introducing a high-quality replacement battery, designed to power your robot vacuum for longer. This battery is certified with UL 2054, IEEE 62133-2, and UN 38.3 standards, ensuring safe and reliable performance. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of cleaning on a single charge with its real 2600 mAh capacity and 14.4 V power. Equipped with an advanced battery management system, it offers robust protection against short circuits, overvoltage, and overheating. It's compatible with a wide range of popular robot vacuum models, including Ecovacs Deebot and Eufy RoboVac series. Ensure you check the connector for compatibility and perform regular maintenance for optimal performance and longevity. What we like. This battery boasts UL, IEEE, and UN certifications, ensuring top-tier safety and quality. Its real capacity and OEM BYD cells offer superior longevity and performance. If you prioritize safety and a reliable, long-lasting power source for your robot vacuum, this is the choice for you. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a full cleaning cycle on a single charge. It fits perfectly into the Eufy 11s and is easy to install. The vacuum runs longer and stronger with this new battery, performing like it was brand new. Number 4. FirstPower 3.2Ah Eufy RoboVac Replacement Battery. Is your Eufy RoboVac running out of power too quickly? It might be time for a battery upgrade. Our replacement offers extended life and reliable performance for your cleaning companion. This battery is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Eufy RoboVac models, including the 11S, 15C, 30C, G30, and more. It also works with select Ecovacs Deebot models. Please check the 3-prong connector compatibility. Enjoy up to 180 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge with its upgraded 3.2Ah capacity. It's the same size and fits perfectly, ensuring your robot vacuum can tackle any mess. Charge your battery fully in just about 3 hours. Built with top-grade lithium cells and multiple safety protections, it ensures stable and safe charging every time. Get your robot vacuum back to cleaning in just 2 minutes. Installation is straightforward, simply remove the old battery and connect the new one. It's that easy to restore its full cleaning power. Designed for longevity, this battery maintains less than 5% capacity loss after 500 charge cycles. You can rely on it for consistent performance, keeping your floors spotless. What we like. Experience extended cleaning sessions with its upgraded 3.2Ah capacity, offering up to 180 minutes of runtime. It also charges quickly, getting your robot back to work in no time. If you're looking for maximum cleaning time and minimal downtime, this battery is an excellent upgrade. What people say. This one was easy to install and worked perfectly. Awesome battery. The Eufy I had was almost 5 years old and was running dead after 30 minutes. This battery was quick and easy to install, and now we're getting full clean cycles again. My original battery was almost 3 years old, and was down to 20 minutes or less of runtime. This battery dropped in and immediately started charging on the dock. I let it charge overnight, and then ran the device and am pleased to report about 90 minutes of runtime. My device works like new again, for a very small investment. Number 3. AHJ Replacement Battery for Robot Vacuums. Is your robot vacuum running out of power too quickly? This high-capacity replacement battery is designed to bring it back to life, offering extended cleaning sessions for your entire home. This battery is compatible with a wide range of popular robot vacuum models, including Ecovacs Deebot and Eufy RoboVac series. Ensure your cleaner is always ready to go. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. It's perfect for tackling larger homes and ensuring a thorough clean every time. Built with premium rechargeable cells, this battery offers durability and safety. It features multiple protections against common electrical issues, ensuring peace of mind during use. Get your robot vacuum running again in just a couple of minutes. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a simple swap of the old battery for the new. If you encounter any issues, help is available. Refer to the troubleshooting guide on the product page to quickly resolve any operational problems and get back to cleaning. What we like. This option provides a solid 2,600 mAh capacity for a good cleaning session, ensuring your robot can tackle most homes. It's built with premium cells and multiple safety protections for peace of mind. If you need a dependable and safe replacement that offers a good balance of performance and value, consider this battery. What people say. The power output is solid, and it brought my vacuum back to life with noticeably improved suction and runtime. On a full charge, I get around 30 to 40 minutes of use, which is on par or better than the original battery. The battery casing feels sturdy and well made, with no loose parts or cheap plastics. Number 2. Eufy RoboVac 11s Replacement Battery. Introducing a high-capacity 3,200 mAh replacement battery designed to give your robot vacuum a new lease on life. It's built to provide reliable power for extended cleaning sessions. This battery is engineered for a wide range of robot vacuums, including Eufy RoboVac models like the 11s, 12, and 30C, as well as Ecovacs Deebot N79s and others. Please verify your model before purchase. Crafted with premium rechargeable cells and an adaptive chip, it ensures stable current and voltage for optimal performance. You can expect minimal degradation, even after hundreds of uses. Enjoy longer cleaning sessions with up to 180 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This powerful battery ensures your entire home can be cleaned without interruption. Designed for a perfect fit, this battery seamlessly integrates with your robot. It ensures your machine efficiently tackles dirt, dust, and debris, leaving your floors spotless. Your safety is paramount. This battery features built-in protections against short circuits, overheating, overvoltage, and overcurrent, providing a secure and dependable power source. What we like. With a substantial 3,200 mAh capacity, this battery ensures your robot runs for an impressive 120 to 180 minutes on a single charge. The adaptive chip stabilizes current and voltage for optimal performance. If you have a larger home or simply want to ensure your robot can clean thoroughly without interruption, this high-capacity option is ideal. What people say. Very easy to replace the battery. The battery arrived quickly and was easy to install. It provides consistent suction power. I've had no issues with it overheating or losing charge prematurely. It's a great replacement battery that has restored my RoboVac to full functionality. 2 screws, 1 plug, 3 minutes, that's all. Number 1. Replacement battery for Eufy RoboVac and Ecovacs Deebot. This battery is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of robot vacuum cleaners, including popular models from Eufy and Ecovacs. Ensure your cleaning companion is always ready to go. Equipped with intelligent charging and comprehensive protection, it safeguards against short circuits, overheating, and overcurrent. You can trust it to power your device safely and reliably. Built with high-quality cells, this premium rechargeable battery offers exceptional durability. It can handle up to 500 charge cycles while retaining 95% of its capacity, ensuring long-term performance. Enjoy an ultra-long running time of 120 to 180 minutes on a single charge. This extended life is perfect for cleaning your entire home without interruption. Replacing your old battery is a breeze. With just a couple of screws and a simple connector swap, you can have your robot vacuum up and running again in no time. What we like. This battery offers a generous 3,000 mAh capacity, delivering an ultra-long runtime of 120 to 180 minutes. It's built to last with high-quality cells that withstand up to 500 charge cycles. If you want a durable and powerful replacement that guarantees extended cleaning performance for your entire house, this is a great pick. What people say. Fit perfectly. Definitely works well and is compatible with multiple generations of the robot vacuum. Quick charging and no need to worry about it. It was easy to install. The vacuum works like new. Mi agrado que incluya desarmador magnético, ya que los tornillos son pequeños te ayuda a abrir y cerrar la tapa de forma más sencilla. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.